So students, today we will learn the conversion of active voice into passive voice or passive voice into active voice. Let's quickly remember what we have already learned. Active, passive. When the subject performs the action over an object, that is known as active voice. Subject, action plus object. This is subject plus verb plus object. When we talk about passive voice, there is object changes its position from last place to the first place. Object comes first, then action, then subject. Object and subject interchange their position. So now it became object plus verb plus subject. Now for example, Mayank repaired my car. Here the subject is Mayank and object is my car. Repaired is the verb used. So when we are changing into passive voice, so what became, our sentence became object my car came into subject's place, subject Mayank went into object's place, my car was repaired by Mayank. Car came front and Mayank went at last. That is what? Subject plus verb plus object. Then when we are changing into passive voice, object plus verb plus subject. We can say my car was repaired. My car was repaired. We can skip Mayank that time. Convert active voice to passive voice. There are 5 steps. 5 basic steps by which we can convert active voice into passive voice. The first one is identify. What is the subject, object and verb in the sentence. Second one is swap. What is the swapping? Subject to object's place, object to subject's place. Now the third step is conversion. Verb into verb's third form. If the verb is in verb's first form, third form, verb is in second form, then third form, verb is in the third form, then also in the passive voice, verb will change into verb's third form. And we have to always use preposition by before the subject in passive voice. And then we have to add a helping verb before the main verb. That is the fifth step. While changing subject, which is a pronoun, to object, I will change into me, he will change into him, she will change into her, we will change into us, they will change into them. I, me, he, him, we, us, they, them, she, her. Add a proper helping verb of to be form before the main verb. Like if the main verb is write, let's see according to the chart. Tense, simple present tense. If in the simple present tense, what will be there? Writes. For active voice, writes. Write plus was ka first form s or yes. Now when we'll change into passive voice, it will become is, am or are written. So helping verb is, am or are is used. Present continuous, is, am, are plus verb ka first form plus ing. Therefore is, am, are writing. So what will become? Is, am, are will be there. But instead of writing, what we'll do? We'll use being written. Is, am, are being written. Present perfect, have written. Passive voice, have been written. Simple past, wrote, was or were written. Past continuous, was, were writing. Was, were being written. Same thing is there. Just is, am, are without, instead of is, am, are we are using was and were. Had written, had been written. Same thing. Instead of have, here had is there. So we just need to understand that it takes a different form. Will write, will be written. B-E-B will be written. Future perfect, will have written, will have been written. See students, if you will notice, there is no present perfect continuous tense, no past perfect continuous tense, and no future continuous nor future perfect continuous. That means these four tenses won't change. है ना? See, we don't use four tenses while converting from active passive like that: present perfect continuous, past perfect continuous, future continuous, and future perfect continuous. These, if the sentence is in active voice in these tenses, then the passive form is not there for those sentences. Simple present tense. Okay, we'll look one example and we'll try to understand according to the each tense. He writes a letter. He writes a letter. So, what is the first thing we have to do? Identify subject, object and verb. So, what is the subject? Subject is he. Object is letter. And verb is writes. So, subject plus verb plus object. This is the formula for active voice. Now, what is the second step? We have to swap. What is the swap? What is the thing which we have to swap? The subject and object. Subject will went to object's place and object will come into subject's place. See, a letter, and he became him. He became him. Now the third step is convert the main verb to verb third form. Okay, write became written. And now the fourth one is add helping verb, that is. Why we wrote is? Because the sentence is in simple present tense and he is singular. Therefore, we used is. Fifth one is adding preposition. Just before him we added preposition, and see, the sentence is complete. A letter is written by him. This is passive voice. Now, present continuous. Active voice. Example, Javed is making a cake. First one is identifying. Let's identify. You also identify by yourself. Yes, Javed is the subject. Is making is the verb. What is the main verb? Making is the main verb. And then cake is the object. Now the second step, swap. A cake and Javed. Now the third step is conversion of verb to main verb. See, make is there, make plus ing, so it became made, verb's third form. Now add helping verb. So here it has been used is. So we'll write is, but with that we'll write being. Why? Because this ing was there in the primitive sentence. So we need to satisfy that ing also. Now the fifth step is adding preposition. Now the sentence is complete. A cake is being made by Javed. Present perfect tense. Active voice. Example, I have eaten a burger. First step, identify. I, subject, a burger, object and eaten, verb. Now, when we want to change into passive voice, what we'll do? We'll bring burger in front, a burger, and then I will change into me. Now, this is the second step we did. Third step, eat को हमने क्या बना दिया? We eaten. It was already in verb's third form. We made it verb's third form. But here instead of have, we has written has. Why? Because a burger is singular and with I we always use have. So, we need to satisfy the subject verb agreement. Now the next tense is simple past tense. Active voice, he bought a car. What will be the sentence? Subject, verb plus object. So now object, verb plus subject. So we'll swap second step, that is a car, and then he will change into him. Now bought, what is the third form of bought? Bought itself. Now the bought is in past tense, so what we'll write? A car was bought. Now the adding of preposition, the fifth step. A car was bought by him. Hope the things are clear, my students. Now the next one is past continuous tense. Ignore this. Sarah was singing a song. Passive voice. Again, a song will come into object's place. Sarah will go into subject's place. A song was, yeah, I won't tell you completely. You try to do it by yourself. A song was being sung by Sarah. A song was being sung by Sarah. Past perfect tense. Active voice. Jai had finished homework. Now passive voice. What we have to do? Jai is the subject. Finished is the verb. Homework is the object. So homework. Then Jai will be Jai itself. Now the third step, that is main verb into verb's third form. It is already in verb's third form. Finished. Now adding of helping verb. Had will only be there, but we'll add been also. Had been finished by Jai. Adding of preposition by. Homework had been finished by Jai. Simple future tense. Active voice. She will accept the offer. Passive voice. Same thing we have to do. Identify subject, verb plus object. Now swap the object's position to subject, subject's position to object's position. She will turn into her. The offer will come into the first place, and accept, which is the verb, will convert it into verb's third form, accepted, and the helping verb will be used, will be used, and preposition. The offer will be accepted by her. The offer will be accepted by her. So now future continuous won't be there. Future perfect. Active voice. I will have charged the battery. Passive voice. So before making that, we have to identify subject, verb and object. Now we have to change the position of subject and object, that is swapping. I will change into me. The battery will come into the first place, and charged, which is already written in verb's third form, so we'll write it in verb's third form only, charged. And now the adding of helping verb will have been charged, then adding of preposition by. The battery will have been charged by me. So this is all we have read. So this was the chart which I was discussing, how we change any particular tense. In any particular tense, if the sentence has been written in any particular tense, then how we change it from active voice to passive voice. And we understood the 5 steps of changing or conversion of active voice into passive voice. First one is identify. Second one is swapping. Subject into object's place, object into subject's place. Third one is conversion of main verb into verb's third form. Fourth one is adding helping verb before the main verb. And the fifth one, which is also very important, is adding of preposition by, else the sentence won't come out completely.